Hi, this is JD. In this video, I will continue from an earlier video discussing how I will install a hinged baby gate. So in the last video, I had the baby gate up and it was tension mounted. But here I have it taken down because I've already marked on the walls using a pencil exactly where I need these end pieces to go. Now, I've installed one of the end pieces right there, and I've made markings for the second one. So I kind of, after tracing out the plastic piece, I went ahead and drew two lines extending further out so that I could then put the end piece up against that opening, or against that tracing, I should say, and see exactly where it fits. And then from there, you can see I have a little hole marked in there already, and then another hole in the bottom. I can just hold this up and figure out where it needs to go. So that's how I made the marking, but I also used a level, and I held this level up against that piece there, the piece on the bottom, and the piece to the tracing up top to make sure that it was level using that little bubble there. And that's how I was able to make the marking in the exact place that I needed and make sure that everything is going to be straight. And that makes sure that the gate will operate properly as well. So that's all for this video. I'll do the same on this side for the hinge, the bottom hinge and the top hinge. And I'll do one final video to show how it turns out. Okay? Please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos in this series. And as always, thanks for watching.